In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add links to your YouTube channel. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, so let's get started. And the first off, open up any web browser and then go to studio.youtube.com. If it will prompt you to try out YouTube Studio app, tap it Continue to Studio and you will be taken to this page where first off, let me zoom this page for a bit. And then first off, we need to tap at that magic wand sign. To get into customization, then tap Add Basic Info. And if we scroll down right here, we can easily find the links feature. We can add up to 5 links to our YouTube channel. To do that, tap Add Link. Then you can give a title for that link. And also you can enter URL. I can just quickly copy the URL to my Instagram profile. To show you how it works, so just paste your URL here. And then we can give a title. After that, to save the changes, tap it down and then at the top right corner, tap it Publish to save these changes. That's how you can easily add links to your YouTube channel. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video and see you in the next one.